Good morning, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 27th, but I'm recording the video that I should have recorded yesterday at the end of the stock market trading. So let's do that now. So Palantir up 40 cents, 5%, closed at 836. Pre-market, we are up by 9 cents. So that's really nice. What is really happening is that we had this very tight congestion zone. Very tight congestion zone. We came out of it, back into it almost, and then really back into it. So now we are back to this resistance at 843. We also have a nice resistance at 904, and we have this downward resistance right here. If Palantir is strong enough, we should be able to cross this. We don't have stochastic over 60 yet, so that's a problem. But maybe within a couple of days, we are going to get it. So if we get it, the buy signal, in my opinion, is stochastic over 60. You can buy outside of this resistance. So that's a pretty good signal. If you want to wait for this horizontal resistance, you can do that too if you want to be a little bit more cautious. So this is basically my plan. So going on the 1 hour chart, so the first hour on the 26th was a nice green candle. Then we also moved up on the second, third hour, and then you see how it came to 843 and then caved into it, but did not go very far. We did not go back to 792. We stayed there, and stochastic is well above 60. So there's a really strong push here. Resistance are more important than indicators. So even though we have stochastic, a super great stochastic at 96, we still need to break 843. And then this one right here to give us a nice signal. And then if you want to be even more cautious, then we can wait for this horizontal one also, as I just mentioned. So looking at the indicators, stochastic on the daily at 40. So getting there, we have the MACD crossing over bullish. So that's the first sign that we have here. RSI, we still don't have it, but these may take a little bit longer. In terms of DMI, we almost never wait for DMI because it takes him too long to cross over bullish. But when it does, it tells us that the move should last for quite a long time. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great day. We are going to talk tonight, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.